In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to target a specific audience on Meta Ads Manager. This process is crucial if you want to ensure your advertising efforts are reaching the right people, maximizing both your engagement and your ad spend. Let's dive right in. First, you need to navigate to Ads Manager. This is the hub where you'll manage all your advertising activities on Meta platforms. You can get there by logging into your Meta account and finding Ads Manager under the Business Tools menu. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard if you're not already acquainted with it. It's always a good idea to have a clear understanding of where everything is before you start making adjustments. Next, you'll want to click on Audiences. This is a critical step because it's where you'll start creating and managing the groups of people you want your ads to target. The Audiences section is designed to give you control over who sees your ads, allowing you to tailor your campaigns to specific demographics, interests, and behaviors. This is where the magic happens, so to speak, because the more precisely you can define your audience, the more effective your ad campaigns will be. Once you're in the Audiences section, look for the option to create a custom audience. Clicking this will open up a range of options for defining exactly who you want your ads to reach. Custom audiences are incredibly powerful because they allow you to target people who have already interacted with your business, whether through your website, app, or even offline activities. This is an invaluable tool for retargeting and ensuring you're reaching people who are more likely to be interested in what you have to offer. As you create your custom audience, you'll be prompted to choose a source. This could be your website traffic, your customer list, or even engagement with your Meta content. Each option has its own set of parameters and considerations, so think carefully about what makes the most sense for your campaign goals. For example, if you're looking to re-engage past customers, uploading a customer list might be the way to go. On the other hand, if you're trying to reach people who visited specific pages on your website, you'll want to use the website traffic option. After setting up your custom audience, don't forget to save it so you can use it in future campaigns. This saves time and ensures consistency across your advertising efforts. Now you're all set to create highly targeted ads that speak directly to the people who are most likely to be interested in your products or services. That wraps up our guide on targeting a specific audience using Meta Ads Manager. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to more effective and efficient advertising campaigns. Thanks for watching and happy advertising.